Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Bree. This is Horror Trans. I'm a transgender woman and I talk about all things horror. And today I will be talking about an obscure horror movie from the late 70s called Microwave Massacre. So, it's kind of hard to talk about this one without spoiling it. So fair warning. Um, Basically, you have a man who is a construction worker who's not happy with his wife, especially with his wife's cooking. And one day, he tells her to cook him some food, and he didn't like what she cooked, so he kills her. And the reason the movie is called Microwave Massacre is because he discovers that he likes the taste of human flesh cooked in the microwave. So he starts killing prostitutes and cooking their flesh in the microwave and selling it to his friends at the construction site. And that's the gist of the movie. This is one of those cheesy B movies. It's not quite a slasher. It came out just right before the slasher craze started. But it's a fun movie nonetheless. It is gory. It has 70s music, so don't expect anything to get excited about. And what else? It's gory. It's bloody. Really bad acting, over the top acting. Not great, but not terrible special effects. Just, what you would expect from a movie called Microwave Massacre. I rate this one as a rent. I watched it one night on Tubi, and it's fine for a late night on Tubi, but it's not one you want to put in your collection. This isn't one you want to show people or watch over and over again. It's a curiosity at best.